welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Carrot Kara Paniyaram. This is a very unique and quick breakfast recipe. Very easy and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 2 cups of dosa batter in a bowl like this. You can use regular ones that we use at home to make dosas. I've already made a video on how to make dosa batter. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. To this season, I'll add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dhal and a teaspoon of Chana Dhal. Then goes in half cup of grated carrot. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Now our Carrot Kara Paniyaram batter is ready. Let's go and make the Kara Paniyaram. Heat a cast iron paniyaram pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of oil in each segment. When the oil is hot, add in 1 scoop of batter in each segment. Let this cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this cook for another 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, both sides are well cooked and crispy, so it's time to remove them. Now our delicious Carrot Kara Paniyaram is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a bowl of chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, quick and an easy breakfast recipe. So do try this Carrot Kara Paniyaram recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.